We are introduction about ISIX 2023 newest wireless CarPlay adapter, CarPlay dongle for factory wired CarPlay cars, convert wired to wireless CarPlay. Plug and Play Auto Connect No Delay online update for cars year 2016 to 2023. We will introduce the features and brief details, what's features including. To make a decision before buy order. Following, we will mention overviews ISIX 2023 newest wireless CarPlay adapter. And outstanding features of ISIX 2023 newest wireless CarPlay adapter. Wireless CarPlay adapter. Get rid of the wired. With our 2023 upgrade, wireless CarPlay adapter can easily convert your wired CarPlay to wireless. You can continue to use full CarPlay functionality and keep the same car operations like navigation, music playback, Siri Assistant, phone calls and more, iOS Apple CarPlay only. Not for Android and other systems. Note, your car must have a factory wired CarPlay system to use this wireless CarPlay adapter. Our CarPlay only convert wired to wireless. Plug and play. Plug and play without any additional drivers or app. Only 3 steps. Step 1, plug into the car USB/USB-C port. Step 2, activate iPhone Wi-Fi and establish Bluetooth pairing. Step 3, wait for the prompt, select Use CarPlay. After first setup, our adapter will automatically activate the CarPlay wireless connection every time the car starts. Let you enjoy the convenience once and for all. Wide compatibility. Our CarPlay dongle works with 98% 2016 to 2023 car models with factory CarPlay, freeing you from compatibility issues. Supported iPhone, iPhone 6 and later and iOS 10 and later. The CarPlay adapter is compatible with over 600 plus car models. Note, your car must have a factory wired CarPlay system to use this wireless CarPlay adapter. Our CarPlay only convert wired to wireless. Stylish and compact design. The lightweight and stylish design of this car adapter makes it compact. It won't take up much space in the car. Included a USB to USB-C adapter, so it can support both USB and USB-C car port access. If you hesitate or have questions, we recommend that you click the link in the YouTube details, to see all the detail before actually ordering. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.